ahead and jump right into the video. So we're going to talk about really quickly how to make those Instagram tweet reels, those videos you see that are basically like something moving with the tweet on your Instagram reels or your Instagram stories. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to type in Instagram reels in the search. You're not going to use post or portrait because it's going to be a moving video, so you can see that throughout the entire page. So this is the complete font for the stories, for the reels on Instagram and even Facebook, so nothing should be out of order. So instead of going to photos for your background, this time you are actually going to go to videos. And so all these things here are moving. So for instance, I typed in pink desk. So I went ahead and grabbed this tweet from my Twitter and I sent it to my phone. But I'm going to make this girl, I'm gonna set her as the background, and I'm gonna go grab the tweet. It's going to be in my uploads. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to uploads. I'm gonna go to my photos and I'm gonna click the tweets. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this tweet, and then literally it's that simple. This is just what people are doing. They're sometimes using moving cars or cities, but I'll go ahead and show you those other examples too. It's really just going to be a matter of changing the background. Now you can make them more detailed if you want. You can write on them yourself, but pretty much it's already done for you. So that's just how that goes. So we're going to check out a few others. We're going to try a city. We're going to try some moving water. You can make as many of these or as less of these as you want, but these are really good for engaging an audience, targeting a new audience, or if you wanted to like put an idea or an opinion or a phrase out that you wanted to stand for your business, or just another way you wanted to connect with people. It's really good. Twitter is also really good for that. So I hope this is helpful. Just know you can make these videos too. I know we see a lot of people posting them, but you definitely can do it, like you see for this one. So now the girls are walking in the background. It's like the cars are moving, but the videos are already placed on Canva. You don't have to go find these unrealistic things. You could probably screen record some stuff if you really wanted to, but most of this stuff is available on Canva. So I hope this video was helpful. Go ahead and like and subscribe, share, comment. I hope you have a good day. Bye. Oh, and before I go, you can let me know in the comments if you like which background is your favorite. Do you like cars? Do you like the water? Or do you like the girl with the pink moving her hand? Like, what is it that you're looking for? Okay. All right, let me know in the comments below. Bye.